Hey Steve, hey Jenny, happy Tuesday. Wanted to get a quick video over to you. Just a video update of what we got going on. Also, put Felicia and Don on this video so they can get an update as well. House is looking great. We're basically just at interior finish. So finishing up the interior here, we'll have quality control walks, getting everything ready. As you guys saw, I got the walk date outs to you all. Those are gonna be constant. I'll, send you an update or a reminder when those get a little bit closer, but those will stay the same. Other than that, I'm going to be quiet. You can take a look at the house. And again, any questions, you guys know I'm always here. Let me know, all right?